there's the link. Okay.
All right. Can you make it bigger?
Yeah.
I think you'll be able to work with VI still into this window.
Yeah. This
You
is
don't have
driving me crazy.
you don't have to do the yatter that we do.
I'm not doing any other. I don't need all that crap. Look at this, how slow. Like I type, it just seems very. This has been the last few days. Alright, so let me turn this off.
So pretty colors.
Is it?
I like it. Yes, it comes with your. That's probably your default color scheme.
Maybe. If I changed it, it was so long ago that I don't remember.
It looks pretty nice. Yes. We got purple and brown and blue and green. Yeah. So anyway, I quickly wrote before we broke for lunch scenario line 20 through
Okay.
24. There is nothing written about that, and we should maybe spruce it up a little bit. Or if it makes sense to you, just leave it like that. But I think that's what we want to do.
Control A, C. What did I do?
Now you want to open a new window?
I don't know. I guess. Control A, C. What is that supposed to do? Oh, I did. Did I open a new one? No.
No. Well, it's gonna put a, let me see. Let me get my my paperwork in here because I wrote some things about this.
This is why I hate it. Because I don't know. Alright, well, I can just do.
Hold on. I need to find my paperwork. Where the fuck did I put this shit?
Itchy. So, how do you create a new tab? I thought it was tab E. Oh, I have to do colon tab E. Colon tab E. And then I do. Okay.
Did you try Control B as in boy?
No.
Okay. Now you open.
That Control B, C actually did it. That's funny. Because he told me to do Control A before, and that was working.
Well, hold on.
All right, it's Control. No, because that was in yours. It was Control B. Create.
I have.
Alright, so I'm just gonna get used to these commands. So you see two tabs, right?
Yeah.
And then if I do Control B C, I have a third one. Okay. And then Control B tab.
When you say Control B C is Control Boy Charlie?
Yeah, but you only do Control for the first one.
You do.
I forget I can only use my left control. What's going on here? Damn it. Control B.
I'm going to open mine.
Alright, so step definition.
Before I forget, I want to ask you a question. Let's say that line 15, I think I kind of understand that instead of using the X path, he used that CSS. But what is not clear to me is line 19. When where is this pointing to? That's my question.
That is pointing to. Watch this. Hey. None of the stuff that Sam Pretty told me to do is working now. Said that SS was a horizontal split.
You know why? Because you you don't have Yatter configured. Yatter you need to have that. Then SS will open the horizontal one, and in fact, I'm going to show it to you. New tab. I do Vim. Now, this is what I don't understand is once I get into this, how do I get into, let's say, an application? Oh, I see. I can do this probably. Vim app, and let's say I want to use model scrums.rb. Will that open?
Okay. Actually, for me, it's Control W.
But it didn't. Oh, it created a directory. I didn't want a directory. I wanted just simply. See, when I open Vim, this is what I get. Am I sharing with you?
Yeah, because you don't have you're not opening a file.
Oh, okay. So I need to open a file.
Or you just haven't, if you hit, yeah.
So before I was, because I was trying to open.
Oh my God. What is going on now?
Are they working on your yard?
No. This is the school across the street. I guess all the kids went home, so they're gonna.
Oh, models. Okay. Okay, models. Scrum. Is that where your daughter goes to, across the street?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're lucky.
Yeah.
No kidding. Shit.
I know. And the Catholic school she went to before is just one block. One block, go to the other end of the block and cross the street.
Okay.
That
so
was very convenient too.
Tell me what's wrong with that. Why is it that it doesn't? open the, I just want to open the file.
Oh. All right, so do colon and then E space. Wait a minute. I don't know what that normal scrum.rb thing is.
Well, I was providing Vim with a file to open. So let me do it from scratch. So I'm at the command line and I go Vim, right?
Yeah.
Don't I have to tell it to open a file?
Yeah, so do app.
Okay, I was doing app
And then
models.
hit tab. Just hit
Okay.
tab. From anywhere, from there, yeah, that's good.
Oh, well, no. Scrum.rb is a file. It's not a...
Just hit tab again. So that's where you are, because are you maybe in? No, app is there, right?
Yeah.
So Vim app model scrum.rb. And what happened when you did that?
So let's suppose that I have that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I open, and it says continue.
Wait. Wait a minute. There was a message there.
Okay, I need to look at that message. Okay. So here we go again. Neocomplete does not work with this version of Vim. It requires Vim 7.3.885.
Did you change did you change something since before?
No, I was able
Right.
to open it before, so I don't know why now. I just don't know how to get it going.
So quit out of there and just make sure that file is there. Do ls instead of vim on that file.
Okay, quit out of there. Vim, what?
Yeah, just change that vim to ls and make sure.
Okay. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Wait a minute.
I see. I need to be in the directory? Yeah,
No.
okay.
Oh,
No?
were you in the wrong directory? I don't
know.
No, you were fine before. Go back there.
All right,
Go
let
back
me...
to website 1.
No, I was not, Marian. So
You
maybe
weren't,
that...
huh? Okay.
Now I am. Now, okay.
Okay.
Now I do Vim, and then I do app, and then I do models, and then I do Scrum.rb.
Yeah.
Okay. And let's see. There we go. Okay, cool.
Okay,
So
and so that
now,
error message there, whatever that is, it's something that you don't have completely
right,
configured because it was.
but it's unrelated. So now I think if I do, see, SS, VV,
Okay.
see,
Yeah.
that's what I wanted to illustrate to you. But
Okay.
anyway, so back to our business. You were explaining to me that line 19.
All right. Ha.
There you go. What do you do?
Control W.
Oh, you know what?
S.
Okay. It's just in Vim, in VI, that's what it is. You don't have Yadder, but still the functionality is there.
Yeah.
It's just a different command.
Yeah. Some of the functionalities there. All right. So, oh yeah. So about this. So if you look at. I guess we can't look at it like that. But anyway, so on the page, this means that there's an A tag.
Yeah, yeah, I
And
know
then,
that. I know that link because we were working on it.
yeah,
But
so this just looks for it by CSS.
right, but the one that I'm talking about is 19.
Oh, sorry. 90. Oh, okay.
How does he get that model that CSS display? Unless because we put the JavaScript in the oh, maybe he gets stuff from the JavaScript.
So it was line 19. I modal.css. So there should be a display. So I guess if you view the source, that there's going to be this class modal with this,
Okay, fair enough. Let me go there.
but it's not in the view.
No, it should be in the browser.
Oh wait, maybe I still have it here. Yeah, if you have it still running.
I do. So if I do this, so I see this display is black, and CSS should be
You see display? Can I see?
yeah, hold
Oh
on a
yeah,
second.
so yeah, it's that. And that the value, and then it looks for that CSS. So modal display, and then the value is block.
Yeah, that is correct. But what do we have in give me 1 second. So model and CSS display. Oh, okay. Yes. Display is here in the right hand side of the inspector. Display is black right now, and now it's going to change to none. See? Right there. Same thing here.
Yeah, exactly.
See it change? So
Yeah.
that is a CSS. Oh, style has to do with, okay, with CSS. Okay. Model CSS. Okay. Yeah. It's funny because we were here, remember we were playing with area hidden faults? Remember?
Yeah, yeah.
We were right there. So
Yeah. If I hadn't seen that change on the page.
you know,
So
lesson to learn is you need to look for the changes in the page.
we did look for it. It did change on the page.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It did. I showed you, right?
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Alright, so now you wanna close an existing video.
So now let's go back to the steps and see
So,
if that makes sense to you.
is this the thing that's failing? Closing.
Nothing is failing, nothing is working. I mean, we haven't done anything with that.
I mean, in real life, the thing. Click play.
In real life, we have a little bit of a problem and this is the problem. I think you can see it. See, now I'm going to close it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you still hear the voice? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Then if I do this, then it goes away. But it's a bug that Sampriti will fix. But the test would be if we exit out a video and then go back to the Scrum's index page and select a new video
that fixes it.
The model should be able to update to the new one and play the new one.
Okay.
That is the test that we need to implement. And I wrote that thinking that might put us on the right track, but I'm not sure.
Okay. So now I want to go into this other terminal, and that's going to be Control B1. Yay! Control B0. Control W, Control W. How do I get to the next tab? Let's see if I have this. GT? Oh, that I do have. Okay. This works. I don't really like the splitting of the windows.
You don't have to. You don't have to do teammate. I'm perfectly fine if you want to just do your.
No, it's okay. You know what I really don't like too? I don't like when you put it in the background. Like, because then how do you keep track of what you got? I got 3 things in teammate. I got 2 in VI, and then I'm running something in the background. It's like, it's crazy. I'm not that organized. I always forget I'm in the background. Alright, so I want to go to GT. That's the tab. I want to go to the other window. Control B. I don't like this. Oh, I did the number. Alright.
How do you do when you get rid of, you want to get rid of the screens, the divided
You, you
GG.
can, so here, I'm going to get rid of this one and just do Q. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Control
It's control something.
W, Q.
All right. Control W, Q, okay.
All right, here's the steps. Control B1. The only way to do that to do it is to get used to it. You know, the only way to get used to it is to do it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we want, given I'm playing a video. So basically, we want, we're here. I click, well, okay, so we want to find out how to, wait, where is it? Given I'm playing a video. Is it me, or is it just like a non-stop barrage of noises here?
Yeah, it is.
I was thinking, maybe I have rabies. Like, if you have rabies, every little sound bothers you. Right,
I don't think you have rabies, Marianne.
Alright, so I want to go, what do I want to do? I want to look at the, I'm going to look at the,
So, is that a given step correct? I think I'm playing a video.
no, it's, there's nothing in there. Oh, is it correct? Yeah, it's
Well,
fine, but.
okay, the description at least. Okay. So, I'm playing a video. So, to play a video, we need to find that elusive click button. And we can apply the lesson learned this morning to see if we can see it playing or not playing. Hello, Sam.
Oh, I thought he was really here. I got excited for a minute. So let's see. Inspect elements.
When you look at that, I want to look for that because I think you were asking me the other day to look for that play button.
I'm not inside the modal. That's really annoying.
You're not inside the what?
Inside this screen, like when I go to inspect element,
okay.
I end up back on the regular page. You know?
Okay,
like,
let me redo it again. So I'm here, right? And I launched the model, right? And then I right click on the top and go inspect element. And that takes me to the model header. It puts me right in there.
Okay.
And now I'm
Watch me do it.
Okay, hold on. All right, let me.
So I'm here, right?
No, no. Yeah. Okay.
Am I in the modal header? Because I don't see it turning blue.
Yes, you are. Modal header, right there.
Okay. Oh, because it doesn't turn blue like.
It doesn't turn blue, but it says that. See that arrow up?
Yeah. Well, that's not
Go
as
back.
convenient. Yeah, I see.
Go back. Right there.
All right.
It's just that this is Firefox for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but you're there. You're in the same place. So let's see. And that is the frame. And if I keep dropping into there, and I keep dropping, and I keep dropping in here,
Context menu.
and I keep dropping. And there it is, the player. Display player. That is the icon. That is the canvas.
It's inside the iframe?
Well, I don't know. What do you think that is? That is the icon?
That's that little square in the middle of the page.
Okay. So, do you think this is the... Well,
I don't know.
Let's see if... Nothing changed.
Yeah, it's playing.
Yeah, but does it change anything in the browser?
It doesn't matter because we're not checking it.
We are not checking it.
Right, we're not checking that it actually plays it because that's not our code. We're just using it.
Okay.
So what is that thing called?
SVG is the element? Oh boy. I'm really lost in here. SVG.
God.
All right. I'm gonna do launch it again.
So it's under modal body or no, or an iframe?
Yeah, but the iframe, Mariam, is the whole thing. And I think, in fact, that is the player, right? We don't have to drop down into this.
So can you, all right, let me just see that. So where did you find that button thing?
This button?
SVG, either one.
Okay, I need to go into an expedition in here.
So it's under iframe.
It's under, way under that.
So yeah, so I'm trying to navigate to it.
Okay. Keep opening. Keep opening.
It's under body. Iframe.
You know, it's very awkward to do it this way. You need to do it when it's
When it's what?
okay. That's where we're gonna find it.
Did you find it?
I'm gonna go there.
Modal body.
So my frame start going down in document and HTML and head and script and keep opening.
So body.
Right here.
So body, HTML.
Can you see my?
Yeah, but leave it for a minute.
Yeah.
So body, player.
Let me open this more so you can see it. I think you should be able to see the whole tree right now.
Player. HTML5 video player. HTML5 video player?
Yeah.
It's not player one, is it? What's player one?
No. You probably went too far down. It should be when you go to div class model body and then you see the iframe.
Yeah.
You shouldn't go vertically from there. You should just kind of go indented to your right.
Modal body.
Correct.
Iframe.
Document.
Yeah.
HTML lang.
Yeah.
Head. Script.
Okay, well, there's nothing under script.
There should be a script and then style.
Okay, let me try it again. Head. So it's in the head?
Yeah. Yeah.
Script.
Do you think Firefox renders the browser differently than? It should be the same, right?
Let's look at yours. Well, you're out of head, aren't you? You're not under head anymore. You're under body.
Well, the way it goes is document.
Right, and then head and body are at the same level.
Head and body on the same level, yes. Keep
And
going
then,
down on body ID class.
Okay, and then player.
And then player, and then HTML5 video player.
Okay, wait, that's what I'm not seeing. That's what I'm not seeing. Player. No, it is different. Yes. That's interesting. No, wait.
There
HTML5
you go. There you go.
video container.
HTML video container. Do I have video container? Yeah, I do. Okay, keep going. Video content should be the next one. Actually, the next tab should be div class YTP large play button.
Okay, and then I got SVG.
And then you finally get to SVG, and that is what when I put that in, that is the what would be the container for the play button. I'm guessing. I don't know. Let's just start with the path.
Yeah, I
Fill,
see it,
rule.
but I think it's div class equals YTP button.
We picked the test, let me tell you. Shit. We picked the test.
Let me try this.
While you do that, I'm going to just simply do a Google search for
That's a great idea.
playing a video in a cucumber test. Cucumber test. The minute you say video, you get like 1,000 shit in there that have absolutely nothing to do with what you're looking for. You need Adobe Flash Player. Testing apps with Capybara and Cucumber.
I guess I don't really see the advantage of having like these tabs and yeah, because you can just go back, you can have two files open and just switch back and forth. I don't know.
Hmm.
Alright, I'm not doing this anymore with these stupid tabs.
Okay.
It's just wasting time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, that was because I just deleted everything I did.
Mm.
And this is the other reason that I don't like this. Now I don't know what just happened.
Okay.
Right, so there's some trick that to make it so that you can scroll up.
No worries. Just continue the way.
I'm committed now. I'm committed. Tmux. Is it possible to scroll windows? Yes, with the Tmux copy mode. Oh, this thing has.
What the hell?
You have a monkey?
No, it's just the ambulance.
Oh.
Camera.
Here's a nice cheat sheet.
How would you word playing a video in a step definition?
What was wrong with when I play a video? That was fine. I think it's fine what you.
No. What I'm saying is, how would you word in a step definition playing a video?
When I play a video?
Yeah, when I click or when I what?
Well, what about just when I play the video?
No, that's fine. But the code, the code you wish you had, how would you implement it in code? The
I don't
play in
know.
action.
That's what we're trying to figure out, right?
Yeah, the play in action. I mean, that's what I'm trying to. Given that I'm playing a video, okay, that makes perfect sense to me. But how to um do 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 do. Uh,
And you don't
step
remember the
definition.
command for making it so that you can scroll up the page, do you? It's a control B bracket or something like that. Oh god, it was. I just spent 5 minutes trying to look up something that I remember. Funny.
Is control what?
Control B and then square bracket. What the freaking hell is this? Oh, now I can't use my... Now I can't use my up arrow. Thanks. Huh. Okay, whatever. No idea what just happened. Wait, we didn't have all this before, did we?
What is that?
All this red?
Is that the? Are you running the cucumber or the specs?
Cucumber?
No, the cucumber should be all passing except for the undefined ones that we are going to be working on.
I know what I did.
Do 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 do. Good.
Okay.
Actually, you should have 4 pass. Oh yeah, you got it. The scenarios that we have passing, yeah,
Yeah.
it should be so far in that feature. We got 2, 4, 6 passing, and the rest 4 are undefined. That's what we should have.
Okay, here's my problem with those. I guess there's nothing I can really do about that. I told you there's a law that if you're working in the public interest, you can do whatever you want, whenever you want. And I don't know if it's the whole state. All right, so let me go back to control.
Wait a minute, I missed that. What did you say? That
I
if
said
you
there's
work
a
for...
law. Yeah, if you're doing something in the public interest, you can make as much noise as you want, whenever you want.
Is that
I
right?
swear to God, they're sawing metal with a saw right now.
Oh.
All right, so here we go. Here we go. Page dot find.
Are you debugging something?
Yeah, I was gonna put it in there just, instead of experimenting in the step definition. So it's the div is class YTP button.
What are you referring to?
Well, that SVG thing is only the picture of the button.
Okay.
But this actual button itself, I think, YTP button play. Let's try it. Class YTP button.
Mm.
Alright, I'm doing something wrong. So, see, I know how to find XPath. Oh. Um, 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 um. Ugh, what the heck? Alright, so given I'm playing a video, doesn't actually make sense in no context, so we need to be on this page, right?
Say that again.
Well,
Sorry.
we need some background here. Because given I'm playing a video, we have nothing, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
And I click a Scrum and timeline. So we need this. And, oops. Visit the index page. Click the Scrum. And I am playing a video. Good?
Yes. Actually, there should be we need to, don't we have to have we play the video from the model window, right?
Yeah.
So wouldn't we have to refer to that?
Not necessarily, because we already did that. Now we know we're there because we worked in the last step.
Okay. So why don't we continue the scenario that we were working on?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. But we didn't have the background set, you know, so we were just nowhere. Alright, let's just do a sanity check. Ah. Mm-hmm. Oh. Okay. 99 divs. That's good. Okay, now I gotta do Control B bracket so I can scroll up. I wanna look for that modal thing. So the modal would be before the timeline, right?
The model would be. What are you looking for now?
I'm looking for
The model body?
place. Yeah.
Is one of the first things that you, if you open a model,
Is it? Let's see. Timeline. Modal content.
I have it on my,
Let's see if we can find that. I think I just saw classical's modal content. Modal body, iframe width, blah blah blah.
oh, I lost your screen share. So the idea is to create an X path with the player, or
Yeah, to find out how we're gonna make it play, right?
yes, exactly. But I cannot find a single freaking sample of playing something. The fuck?
Oh wait, do we have to do this? Page should have the selector, player title, text header. Let's just make sure this still works. Hmm.
Okay, fine. Mm. Yeah, I'm in Java. Shit.
You missed it. It sounded like a World War II fighter jet went over. Too bad I was muted. Alright, so we're down to modal body.
Can we add the iframe? I think we did it this morning, right?
Yes.
Okay. And now,
I gotta grab a call for 1 second. Hello?
what did you say? I'm sorry.
I just gotta grab a call 1 second.
All right.
Okay. So where were we? Oh, here it is.
With the iframe.
Gosh. So why can I not find YTP button?
Let me see.
No.
Well, because why don't you do model body and then slash YTP button?
Well, I mean, then I'm just making it more specific because // means find it anywhere.
I see.
But let's see. How about HTML5 video controls? Alright, so I can put it here. So I guess this stuff, this is the same problem we had before, right? That
Yeah.
we had to use the JavaScript to find it?
Well, what we can do is you can put some code in there, and then let's build a step definition. Put JavaScript on the cucumber and see what we get.
I don't know what to put though, do you?
Well, at least we can start with the egg path, with the X path.
Oh. Start with the X path. And
well, it's just that I don't know how to make it play the video.
Right.
So we don't seem to know which one is the one that you know that makes it magically play the video.
Alright, let's try this. How did he do it? Page evaluates script. That's very annoying. So let's try something else. How about now I can't find the YTP play button in here.
YTP large play button?
No. That's a picture, but then there was the actual button below it.
I'm looking at again at
Yeah, I found it. YTP button. Um, so our button clicking thing, page up our CSS, but it doesn't find it.
Let me see.
Dot find. Can you not see?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. And YTP button. But it's not a link, so
Yeah.
I don't know. I just don't know how to do this. Let's say div class. Settings, playlist. I wonder what this is. No. Like, how is the modal thing? Like, how did he get that to, like, that's a script? Like, where does it say that's a script? You know?
In the Hire Me button, it was a partial that was called from the view.
See, look, this is just a div ID equals player.
Yeah.
Class modal. And then he checked the display.
Yep.
And so is that stupid button even here?
I see. You know, one thing that I noticed, Miriam, is the model body and the iframe are the two elements that play the video. If I go anywhere in that, see this? Can you look at my screen 1 second?
Yeah.
See that? That's my model body right there.
Okay.
It's
So
blue.
where's the button to play the video?
I can play anywhere in here and it plays. See?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We were looking at the button, but it doesn't matter. That is just an icon in there.
Okay,
I
gotcha.
believe.
Gotcha.
So I think it's between the model and the iframe. So if we can do the X path.
Yeah, sure, we can do it and then do what? Because, you know, then what do we do? We find it, and then what?
Okay, now how do we implement it in a step definition to play it? Because before we were looking at, let's say in the previous test, we were just simply seeing whether the model is there or not. So this is just that we are playing a video. Okay, hold on.
I think we should. Hi, baby.
Damn it.
Hey, look. Interesting.
Okay. So what is it that you're
I'm just surprised that it didn't refuse to even try.
model body iframe click, and it returns status fail and the position. Status fail and the position.
Triggers a click on a copy. Hey Marcel,
Yes.
in RubyMine, can you find the source for click? Like
Can
where
I
does
find
that
the
come
what?
from? The source for click?
In RubyMine, the source for click.
Yeah, like if you, is it from Capybara? Node? Oh, I know, I think I got something here. Click. But what is click the element? What does it return?
Maybe we are wrong in the assumption of that we should click a video instead of playing a video.
How would you play it?
Huh?
How? Play it how?
Yeah, exactly. Um,
Hey.
cheat sheet.
Now this isn't working anyway. Page dot find XPath iframe. Now it's saying you can't find it. Well, I'm gonna have to go.
Okie dokie.
I think we should,
I'm gonna ask some of the guys for
yeah.
some
Sam Pretty probably knows how to do this. I would like to know.
yeah, and yeah.
I just want to see what happens if we do this again. Oh, there it is again.
What is it?
The dash click. can get down to iframe, but yeah, I mean, what do we need to do now?
So the step definition is more or less correct, right? Just given that I'm playing the video, right?
You mean the name of the step? You mean that
Yeah,
line
no,
36?
the concept is that.
I think it's fine. I just don't know how to do it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Give me that XPath that you had in there.
I get the one that worked.
Yeah. Are you taking off? Because I might. John is probably available.
Yeah. Now it
Yeah.
doesn't do it the second time. That's funny.
Right. Do you want to stay on if John can come and help us?
I could try to come back in a few minutes, but I gotta go take care of this.
Okay.
Child. I'll put this in. I'll leave it running.
Leave it running. And I have about maybe 45 minutes.
All right, let me see.
An hour. So.
Wait a sec. Just wait a sec. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes. All right.
Bye.
But yeah, look for John.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Hey, Johnny.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hey, don't feel jealous because when you are in New York, we're all going to be jealous of you. Yeah, it was nice to meet Risa last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
Well, did
cool.
you guys know you were going to the same event? Or did it just...
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
knew she was at working at Nightfall. Yes. And
Right.
I just saw the meetup happen there, so I said, oh, I'm gonna go and because I worked with her for a while on Agile Ventures, and she was very nice, and she's having a great time in there.
Yeah.
They're a company out of Australia,
Yeah.
and they're trying to establish a presence here in the U.S. Pretty competitive, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what kind of backing do they have from Australia, but it was pretty good. And this guy's presentation was awesome.
Oh,
I
yeah?
mean, and Thor, and the command line interface. Yeah. This guy is apparently is a very a contributor to the core
Yeah.
of Ruby. So.
Yeah, he's famous. I haven't read a lot of his stuff, but I know he's famous.
Yehuda, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's awesome. he created Ember.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
He actually talked. I was at a meetup last night with
uh-huh.
Risa here in San Francisco, and
Oh, cool.
he was the main speaker. And
That's
somebody asked
awesome.
him about, yeah, somebody asked him about Ember, and he he talked a little bit about it, not a lot, but he seems to be a big fan of it.
I would think so.
Yeah, who wouldn't be a fan of their own work?
Yeah, exactly. He's got a contracting company called Tilde,
Hmm.
and but I really liked his presentation and Thor and the command line interface. It was it was pretty good. And meeting Risa, which that was the highlight. That was good. Yeah. Anyway, John, I need your help because uh, we were running the. Can you see my screen first of all?
Yeah, I'm looking now. Yep, I
Okay.
can see it.
Okay. So we got lines 11 through 16. They are passing right now,
Hmm.
and Sampriti helped us quite a bit with this, so that is taken care. But now we are testing a scenario by which, and I'm going to show it to you. If you are on the timeline and you click on a video and you play it, so then you close it and you go to the next one, it should update the model with the new video that you just clicked.
Yep.
And we were having problems implementing in code uh, that. Now, Miriam, which is going to come back soon, and I were working on the next path
Hmm.
to try to test that, and we got this kind of returning true, but we were not clear. So if you have any ideas, please jump in and suggest, or Brian, if you have some ideas, how
All right,
to
sweet.
implement that step, meaning, given uh, that I'm playing a video, when I stop the video and I click a new video in the timeline, the modal window should update to the selected video.
Do you need to bother starting the video and stopping it? Couldn't you just click on a video, assert that the modal contains the video, close the modal, or not even close the modal? Yeah, you have to close it, I think. Click on a different scrum, then assert that the modal has a different video.
Yeah. Uh, yes. Yeah. I think what I want to do is I just want to test the fact that you can select one, close it, and open the other one.
Yep.
Because I think that should be a kind of a good test. And that was, by the way, a suggestion also by Sampriti.
Sorry, could you repeat that again? I didn't catch.
That the idea was to test that you open a video, you close it, and then you open a new one, and the timeline or the should update the player.
Oh, okay. Right. Makes
How
sense.
how do you word it? I don't care, but I think that's what we want to test. And we were having problems just implementing a step definition to say I'm playing a video. I have no idea how to.
Well, don't.
I don't think you need to check that the video is playing.
I don't.
No.
Okay.
You just need to make sure that when you click a new video, that new video appears inside the model.
Okay.
It shouldn't matter whether it was playing or not.
Okay, so 21 can go out the window.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep.
Okay. And so
right now you have step line on 15, and I click a scrum in the timeline. That step could be expanded to be, and I click, quote, quote, fill in the blank, the name of the scrum. You're also going to need to, I should see 20 scrums in descending order. So what is the background step, or like how do you guys set up the fact that this testing database... Oh, I forgot. Never mind.
no, we're not going to the database yet.
That's right. We have VCR data in here.
That's right. That's
Right.
right.
Okay. So
That's going to be the next step, and that's something that I want to chat with you, Brian, when you get a minute of time.
maybe
So
you could
hold on.
Go ahead.
Are you guys using VCR cassette thing?
Yep.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, cool. Yeah, I only found out about that during work, but I forgot to mention it to you guys. Yeah, I think that's a good way about things.
Yeah.
Oh, go on.
That reminds me, I do want to reconfigure VCR a little bit here. Right now we're storing all the VCRs in the spec directory, when really you have a fixtures directory in the project root. So in the time zone feature that I've been working on a little bit, we configured it a different way, just a little bit differently. So just remind me that, Marcelo, before this gets submitted as a pull request or like ready to be pulled in, that I need to just make one tweak.
Okay.
It'll work fine either
Make
way.
a note for VCR, you mean?
Yeah, just changing where the cassettes are stored.
Okay.
So I can see now why you don't specify I click on the ABC scrum, because this fixture data, we can change it and then all our tests will break. So we don't want to assert a lot of specific things about it. But we could say, and I click on the first scrum, and I click on the last scrum. Or second, whichever. But I think first and last are more obvious. As long as there's more than one, it'll always be a different video.
It's
and that way
in the step definition. It's clicking on the first one.
What was that?
It's
Maria?
doing it in the step definition.
Oh, in the way that I click a scrum is right now actually scrummed out first or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So you could just bubble that info up to the actual English and then make a similar one for the last scrum. So you can have I click on the first scrum and I click on the last scrum, and that way you'll have your two different videos and you can make your assertions about one being in there at one time and another at the second time.
Okay, that's a good idea. Did you figure out how to make the assertion? How to do that when I was gone?
No.
We were just beginning to.
How come you don't have to do when I play the video? Sorry, I missed that part.
Yeah.
Well, why would we?
I don't know. So
I think they're making the point, Mariam, and I think they're right that what we need to test is that we can switch videos, in the timeline and.
Oh, okay. So you're clicking on it outside of the modal, and it's switching the title inside.
Yes.
So probably if we're going to do first and last, we should not specify on line 18 the name. We should put whatever, find it, and then, I don't know.
That's a good point.
The title of the first video. Or something
yeah.
Like
in what line, Mariam? 18?
No.
16.
16. Okay, so that brings it up, but then...
That brings up the first one, I think.
Yeah.
What about when you close it? Like, how are we going to do that? Do we not need to worry about that? Because did Marcel tell you what the bug was? That the audio keeps playing after you close the modal?
What? Okay, so yeah, that is a bug. I can see now why you were talking about playing and stopping.
Right.
Uh,
I think
but
that could be tested in a different spec or scenario.
yeah, and I think Sampriti has the fix for that.
Well, we
It's
want the
yeah.
test to wrap the bug. The fix is
That's
fairly easy, I would imagine, just making sure that the modal doesn't just get hidden, quote unquote, but actually like killed or whatever.
And how do you check that then?
How do we test that? Yeah, that was the thing I was saying was more interesting. This is sort of.
Oh no, just a second. Like if you look at what we did in
Can I see how you're loading the videos in the iframe? Is it just setting the source?
Hold on. You want to look it in the browser?
I'm sure. Hold on.
No
I'm sure
problem,
there's a
Joe.
way to pause videos that are playing in an iframe.
Well, this is the bug. Let me show you quickly. If you play it, see, I'm going to close it now. Can you hear the sound?
It's very quiet, but go ahead.
Yeah.
See, it keeps
Now, if
playing.
you click it again, out of curiosity, does it?
Yeah.
No, click the old one. Get it playing, and then click the old one again. I'm curious if it drops you off with it still playing.
Do you have it up on Heroku by any chance? So that I can.
No.
No, but you can do that
ngrok?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have that installed?
ngrok.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Do you mind
Some pretty.
showing me?
Okay.
How do I show you the ngrok?
Type in ngrok space 3000 in a terminal.
Yeah, if you don't have it added to your path, though, you need to go to the ngrok directory.
He has it.
Oh, cool.
Right. I still
you're
need to
on
install
Is this
ngrok.
You don't need to install anything.
Oh, really? So
It just provides, it tunnels it to, like, whatchamacallit, Heroku. It doesn't deploy it, obviously. If he turns off his server, it goes away, but...
What's the command again?
You don't need to do anything. You need to wait for him to turn on his ngrok.
The command ngrok 3000?
Yeah.
I'm assuming that you already have your Rails server on another tab. So I don't think there's a colon in there. I think it's just space 3000.
Okay. There you go.
And then
Cool. So now copy that URL into the chat.
All right, Brian.
Cool. That's neat.
Isn't that cool?
Unavailable. It
Oh,
seems.
yeah.
It's unavailable? Why?
Did you start your Rails server, Marcelo?
Yeah, are you able to go to localhost 3000 right now?
Yeah, I'm on localhost 3000.
Could you pull up the
Can you
terminal
refresh the
again?
page?
Yeah, reload, that's true.
So that kicks me out of my local
No,
host?
I think you just
I
turned
think
it
you
off.
just turned it off somewhere. Look
Hold
for
on.
whatever window that was supposed to be.
Or just pick any window and turn it on,
Yeah.
as long as
Yeah.
it's a local support window. Or website one, yeah.
I gotta go. I guess I'll just leave this running.
Yeah,
Alright.
I'll close it, Miriam. I'll check with you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. So I can
Bye.
leave. I can leave the hangout, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
All right, Brian, it's up.
Yep. I'm seeing it loading slowly, but
Okay.
it is loading. That's my request going in. You can see the logs spitting out everything.
So,
It's a bit slow.
so we can split this into two tests, right? One regarding the switch between the different videos in the timeline, and another one regarding stopping when you click on when you exit video and then make sure that it closes, right?
Now, how do I get to that Scrum page?
/scrum/index?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Record not found.
/scrum/index.
Scrums with S.
Oh, with a S, right. There she goes.
Are you sharing, Brian? Oh, you're not. Okay.
No, I'm not sharing, but I can share.
No, that's fine. That's fine. No worries.
I've already shared anyway. Let's see.
Marcelo, could you give me a teammate to your code base right now so I could look around at the JavaScript on the...
A teammate to my code base.
Well, just a teammate, and I can get to the code.
Didn't I send you one?
Not just now. Oh, you did.
I
I'm
did.
sorry. You did. Okay.
Is that big enough?
Yeah.
All right. Website 1.
So this is not website 1, huh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right. So this isn't compiled with Lua, so that's why that warning shows up.
How did you do that? That's one problem that I'm having when I go into Yadder. Is from what did you type to get the tree?
Vim dot.
Vim dot. Shit.